During my second term here as president of the port system of Genoa and Savona, we will try to implement the major infrastructure program that we have approved after the collapse of the Morandi Bridge in 2018. After the collapse of the bridge, the European Commission was very helpful in order to support our program to improve maritime and land accessibility to the port of Genoa. During the next 4 years, the main challenge will be to implement the new breakwater. We are planning to end the public procurement of the new breakwater by October of this year, start the construction of the new breakwater by the middle of next year, and because it is funded also with the recovery funds, we will try to end the construction of the first phase of the new breakwater by 2026. The second main challenge will be to end the construction of the last mile railroad line that we have between our major port terminals and the new high-speed railroad line, which is called Terzo Valico, the bypass beneath the Apennine, which are the mountains behind the port of Genoa, in order to reach the northern region of Italy, cross the Alps, and be connected with Alp Transit and the Rhine-Alpine corridor. The third main challenge is to be able to construct the new shipyard in the western part of the port. The shipyard is now operated by Fincantieri. We are planning to make an expansion of the shipyard with a 500 million euro project, and to have another public procurement of the new concession in order to operate the biggest shipyard in Italy, together with the one in Monfalcone near Trieste.